Here we go. These new pictures. New scary story. A scary robot story called The Washing Machine and Dryer, Part 2. Chris and Cindy become robotic monsters. Somebody had to be very evil to break into a motel room and hurt a married couple who was resting. Chris and Cindy tried to get out of bed after they woke up to a loud noise. Oh, what was that? Don't know. But they both got shot up and chopped. How sad. They got chopped into pieces and shot by a gun. Mr. Rax sent this new killer to them because the old man was sad that he wasn't going to get no more cash out of Chris and Cindy. It's all about money to him, even after he got paid off. He's a no good person. But you have to forgive folks like that. But it's hard. Mr. Rax thought the cops wouldn't find out about him, but one of the gangsters who worked for Mr. Rax felt bad for Chris and Cindy and wanted to make things right, so someone told on Mr. Rax, and he didn't know. At least not yet. Inside the motel room, there was blood everywhere. Very graphic. A night stranger finds 2 long trash bags near the dumpster outside, where the 2 bodies were placed in, and this stranger, he takes them away. This good Samaritan named Polly thinks he could bring these 2 lovers back to life as cyborgs. They would be part human, part machine. He puts them together with robot parts. Polly is able to get Cyborg Chris and Cyborg Cindy to talk to him as their bionic heads speak. So even though they were broken up into pieces, he was able to use, mechanical stuff, put them together the best he could, make them bionic, mechanical. Polly wants to know if they want him to build them a body. Yeah, so Polly's like, hey, he's talking to these skulls, 2 skulls, because their brain is still together, still good. The consciousness, somehow he was able to revive them. He got lucky. And he asked them, hey, do y'all want a body, or do you want to look like something else? Polly's laughing. What do you want, huh? And he basically suggests to them, how about a washing machine or dryer? Or a toaster? And that's what Chris and Cindy want, to be like a washing machine and dryer. They thought that would be a perfect disguise. So if they ever do find this killer who took their life, he would never notice them like that. Now Polly makes their dream come true. Polly tracks down the killer who got away by obtaining DNA samples from the motel room before the cops and motel manager got there. He was able to sneak in the room and get out. Polly tells Chris and Cindy, as the washing machine and dryer, they could do everything that those appliances could do. So, they could wash clothes, dry clothes, use soap, water, whatever. Plus, Polly builds weapons for both of the lovers and gives them artificial arms and legs that are hidden. Polly tells them that he will find a home for them. So yeah, even though they look like a washing machine, which is Cindy, and Chris looks like a dryer, they could walk and they could move, you know? They got arms, mechanical arms and legs. Polly tells them he will find a home for them, and hopefully they could get Mr. Rax and whoever else is associated with him. A month later, a group of roommates move into a house. Adonis, who is related to Mr. Rax, he's like his nephew, is with his friends at this house. Adonis is with his friends. Yolanda, the young wife of Adonis, is filming everyone on her iPhone as they celebrate. Pedro, a homeboy of Adonis, is giving out free food, but something is in the garage. Ooh, to be continued. Find out what it is, folks, on part 3. Hope you like the story so far, and glory to God. Good night for now.